Asemno enya beef. Finally, trouble colors, TikTokers, and bloggers have a reply. Efua Nash. On Senra, Efua Nash ever life, ever buy no. Oba 2 year home. Oh, Obeke cannot just say and cram my inquire for. You ain't spend a common 5,000 and the honor spend a count quas. Obeke cannot just say, Emuno, counter defense, about media and so, for matter to aid in Juma. The monthly mono to the wide and mammy. Ewa comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was said demo. Over like if you do not have a subscribe button, some back in the notification and latest updates about the wide and mammy. Ewa comment section. Best as well as no share for us. Be ashe. Open points as she see a riding quantity. Obi any. And the casa will we. Ayam frama. I was here Efua Nash or trend in the more. Oberkai. Or no, na odi dear. Odi dim me and why about the seer. D20 balls of kinky. And yasim kuma. Odidi ankasa. Managing opa. Odidi yin rare o Vicky. Odidi ankasa. Now, Efua Nash, and as I'm very an interview. And I'm going to average every day piano. Or spending not less than 5,000 cedis. I'm going to say Efia. I don't like again. Ghana politicians, MP for Chromo salary, ASA. MP for Chromo pay, ASA. Hey, gold board CEO, 7 Fi Krana will gold board, ya chama, they can't the post back at ya. Hey, 1.2 billion, 50 million gradually. But who's who the 50 million? But who the 50 million? The BLS a bosom, hey, 1.5. If you're the old children, if you're TikTok mountains, only never clash. Emu, and was having another interview. Guys, oh, Unibia, so no doubt the level now on tenacity. And for young count Quasias. Emma knows on the reply. And what she and Enra or bar live any ordinary so. Ebe good Ghana bloggers, any TikTokers, and any episode of fans film. Oh, trouble one casa Enra.
I'll spend 5,000 a day. Yanumunso. Oh, spend 5,000 a day. Yanumunso. And what's Yasamuna? Massa Mamma from my feature. Mon fam bamile mu crumple. Because I am cramming and safe one now. Omanya adaje and fabi videos. I am more semuno. You people, you minimum yeo. Minimum yeo. Minimum yeo. Minimum yeo. Obia minina fada for the beer. Obi a waba mabrabom da bia obi o me na sign pen bia no enim say me sometimes I spent more than that. E dey nkwasi asem ni enim gwasi tan so ben no. Ah? Muni manners won. Muni manners. Muni titi yo hu. Kwasi asem akwa kwasi. Na dey pressure no. Ma pressure ma. Minim baby awote. Do I even follow you? Minimum footsteps. Midiwachi. Oh, kwa midiwachi. And I was saying when I did. Me top pressure ma woo na me top pressure. Then I be your film. Huh? Me no competition. Me no me any competition be ayeko. Ah me top pressure ma. Do I even know you? Do I know you? And what see asem me top pressure ma youth. Youth bang na me jira on me top pressure mom. Adam na me ti men so me na me so sorry me nya adwuma. Me na me so sorry me nya adwuma. E na wakwa mo bi pressure to no abegina ha say. Me ba up is how many ayini years ni me munti man na kasampo da because me nema ni bebre o I don't want to talk about it. I guess me silence.
Na twa mo no. Na ko bia ni asemo but emre bi atwam. Obeye this particular interview
5 cities na me dem fa o me mpasem taxi no ne boat ne boy den me ni me ho because me koya hantan ko fa ebia me koya hantan na makofa dropping a na me ba wan e be ma me aduane sika because me gina me fa trotro
okay
me fa unse obi o wa the person will be like dem ko fa boat me no me fa trotro na my service can for next day and me num enye all the time na me num bottle water me pure water na and me num and pure water no uko baby a unya wo water bottle la Na
Oshegum.
yeah. Me make ma di banku ni makori dan nam. Wa unru ho.
Yes.
Na ewu ni no me enforce nye. Me say no me ni ska me de me kwakotena baby say oh. Le ma me kwatena baby na me nwelas na me ni de adwane nkosi say bia 1005 miniska.
Okay.
Enti me kwakoto enchen ha yi.
Yeah.
Ba me to ni bebre ni me na ma be di.
So baby.
Na ma di.
E don for chese Efia nya botro. Who you interview we na? E se dan che bia Efua edi eni enum dwai.
Pressure mount.
No.
Meaning baby I will say.
No.
Do I even follow you?
Baby.
Minimum footsteps.
Dabi.
Me do wachi.
Dabi.
Oh, kwa me do wachi. And I will say when I me do.
Knife you see.
So what you are doing?
Jesu.
No.
Hey, madam na me say me di 5,000 a day. Na what's me di 5,000 a day? You swosa. You swosu. People na soon na ye move on wo. You swosu. Ah, he won so down go te wa. Mrs. Bill Gates. He won so dina. Ye wu na he and that spite musido. E won so anya hwe. Last time me wode di bane 150 cedis. Besin de me ye okay na midina ha no. Na mara wonan kra ne kroyi mo me de nimbe mu ni mu ndo be ye de na amam 150 cedis. Nyame nkoten ka waje moto 37. Na we nya 5,000 was in the 5,000 issue as life e bo shima be cheche mama no even. What say me ishe budo na enye mo ishe budo na isu oza. Madam people ni asi no su na share wage band no do. Okono ko titi bi nsa akese ni di. Show comment to be say be why do you always go with your bag? I'm pebble fu mu ku edwuma na molokọ. Me nye homeless mu ku edwuma bag na osan mo ho no. Edwuma na molokọ. Onu hwehwenim no necessary questions obi sa. You sabi chon so life be so I have it. Down go to liter. Down go to wa.
And I thank God say, baby and me to me near my piano. Obi oni me bia nim say me. Even though say I don't know how to put on some things component, me to ade aye papa. Me to ade aye papa. Na krama bi wo ho anu aba be fa video na because of so no so person trending thing no aba fa video no kan kwase asem kire wo. No come wasam. All in the name say 5,000 Ghana cedis. How much is 5,000 Ghana cedis? Me jina I say no. Me so sing 5,000. I say 5,000 so sing me. How much is it? And quite see a phobia. Me ba me nchen na say me from me mama compa. Do you know how much I sent to her?
Efua Nash, come here. You are making the work difficult for us. Why are you crying? Why are you cursing out? Why are you insulting people? No, at this point you are doing too much. At this point you are making it difficult for us to speak for you. Those of us that are trying to talk for you, you are making it difficult. You don't even have to throw tantrums in the first place. That is wrong. This thing you mentioned about the 5,000 cities, whether it is true or not, it will bring up a conversation on the media space, on this social media. This is where you started. You should be ready for it. Coming out, explaining yourself. This is where you should take advantage of the trend they are giving you to promote work. You use it to your own advantage. If you want to follow everything people say on this media, then you are not ready for it. Are you trying to say you don't know what you are getting yourself into? I'm not going to start with you. Even the president is being talked about. Everybody, every single body can be talked about. Nobody is above critics. Even the president, like I mentioned, is not above critics. So far as we have freedom of speech, and then you are prone to be in the public face, you have to be ready for it. This is how you started. When you started the insane thing, people were talking about it. Oh, it's disgusting. Look at this girl, she's classless. But look at where it brought you. So it means that, you know, you should be ready. If you want to be in the public face, you want to do this social media thing like you mean it, you have to know the pros and cons. You have to be ready for it. You have to get yourself to be emotionally stable and emotionally ready for all of us. You know, coming live like that, insulting people, throwing tantrums, it doesn't speak well of you. I know that emotions will be hurt because having people misunderstanding you, judging you based on your own truth can be very painful. Mentioning that you spend 5,000 cedis a day. Hey baby, I'm kind of assembly. Why would you can also spend 5,000 cedis a day? But then because you are in the social media space, yeah, it will spike up conversations. You have to, people will question it. People will talk about it. That is what social media is about. So the trend they are giving you now, it is up to you to use it to your advantage. You can come live, try to find a better way or even a jovial way to make fuss about it, talk about it. But you being emotional, crying, cursing out, like your aura point has dropped drastically. And it's not nice. If you want to do this social media thing, then it means you know what you are getting yourself into. Listen, people will talk regardless. Whether you do good or you do bad, they will talk. You want to do this social media thing, you have to be ready for it. Yeah, you have to be ready for it. What you are doing there, it doesn't speak well of you. The way you are throwing your words around, it sounds very uncouth. I was speaking for you because who cares if you spend 5,000 cedis a day? That was you. It's nobody's business. They should cry. If they like, they should go and empty the sea. But girl, the way you are taking the whole thing, you're making it difficult for us who are trying to speak some for you. Just cease the talking, the rant. Stop crashing out. Stop feeding them whatever. Stop giving them the approval that whatever they are saying or doing to you is getting to you. By this time, you're making them feel like, well, at the end of the day, oh, we are winning over it. Girl, you don't do that. No. Cease the talking. Don't talk again. Everybody is being talked about. Even this woman that we all respect and love so much. I do not know Brown. I'm not saying that a standard to whatever, but I'm saying that even the people who have been in the game before you, Jackie Apia, everybody has been dragged one way or the other. So if you want to be on this social media space, you have to have another ready heart to heart all what this pressure, this misunderstanding, twisting your words. That is what makes social media social media. So you have to have another heart for it, okay? Coming out here, crashing out, insulting people, it doesn't speak well of you, it might even go against you. So girl, don't let them get you like that, please.
Say, I thank God, say, baby, I'm me told me near my piano. Opi only me get him say me. Even though say I don't know how to put on some things component, me to adia papa. Me to adia papa. Na krama bi o kwa no about the foul video na because of some people person trending thing no. No about foul video, no can kwasi asem chira wo.
First of all, omo yeah ya do it in the video ni La Familia with Jimmy me Young Prince one yeah I do it in the video no say enkraman. Yes I am kwasi afo any problem but they yeah did to say the wa did no sa na enkraman didi. And indirectly una enkraman Efua Nash we enkraman ene enkraman una enkraman no aden na obi who spend 5,000 cedis a day. Na say ye da to say who spend 5,000 cedis a day. Enya wan akogina akoye ye ona wan akọ live so koye ye nyafo na ye iskafo kasa me kasa bi na say ni na ye de ka count ye mfa ho no afi esu a usu a wo kasa aggressively mame ya tuko konte to form a wo de twakokonte kese to for na tu na fa nkwa na to for na hwede wa akraman ba beta frita fra de no afara se ni mu pa sa na wo ye no difference wo be frɛ akraman ade I do video say you say I can say won't spend 5,000 cedis wo bo out to pressure mom ente akraman se me na wom kraman se be na wom say they will spend na devia na ton tale wo pa dey spend 20,000 a day and for bia ho o spend 20,000 a day and for bia ho o free say can say enkraman
La Familia with Jimmy. No mo say Efua Nash osu. I don't be abono. And again wash it. I don't know so 50 million a day. And I osu. Like how? Efua ma men kan se me nchira. Usika na was spend no. Enye no na ye ka ho asem. And I may have video cram me I wasn't talking about the money. Me make I say niska we say a lot of things like 50 million there. And you like be able to spend it. But who be like the car say the 50 million is kabang and I mean to be spending and I was that you were spending before you came on TikTok and I did and will be for video we am crazy for we are here for and will be for video ni pa and then the Efua Nash na catch you be so be pet friend. Now who ba TikTok da ben? Will be the Uber fat friend. Baby followers na wenya no. And no just what do baby And I man can 1.3 million now one. A man for a follow no. And here for be womb. So ni ma here for be womb. Na spend 5 times or 5 times be found me. Now wusu. Obi a there wusu. Obi a would 50 million a day. So what say bloggers no. Obi akofa video baby kitu ebi na wo kan na akofa video ne ye kan wasema Come and tell us, say, and yes, I know part of it. Baba life, you explaining and exaggerating and expression. What the hell, woman? Me my video ba ko we kan mienu. So one me on one, my videos on quite 800. I go over you. Ujimi na yara mu jimi wa app no so na mama for pressure no. Who was kind today? Who was kind today? Who was kind today? Ye yesu niska ba no bet na ha. E bet chire de so we. So what jimi a mo be to pressure fi e ma manfo.
Obenes.
Me kona me ba obi di machi.
Osedai. Osu ana. Ede na hendra teletel na no sa no. Hwe osu.
Samu asem no. Me dia mo pe mo trend mo fa ko fa be fufuro. I decided not to talk about this. Me decided some coming can be about it.
There's a woka.
But I think say it choke my neck here. I drew me call. I
Amen.
Aden.
Amen.
Aden.
Eduane bebrebe obedi wasade so amen.
And I don't me spending or 500 cedis. For me jina ho na me jina ho na me jina ho no. 500 cedis e bet masu me day. 500 cedis. How much is 500 cedis?
Asam no crime time. In fact, asam way ama mehu say Ghana say we hia for maybe wo hono ma omunyunu mo ho. Sa a day kura no omuntimi en spende eye 30 pound no common 30 pound a day omuntimi spende. Abaya we say Ghana every day be spending 30 pound. Omo say one tea just a yentro 500 Ghana cedis. A yentro. Na ono so maintenance e de enti na obegina miamia na nia so no. Ana we new come our app we say so. Na o spend 500 Ghana cedis no mo say won spend ya we so eyesu. Ana atem de no mu di so wo twa ntro na wo to pressure ma manfo kasa eno ntina wu so no. Madam, se wuni akukudura ye nyatwi o. Ene pepa ho firi sa app we say so. Na me mahu se kan wasama na wu so de ne efiri no kro wawu. Efiri na kro wawu, mahu se kan wasama na wu so. Obi ye here ni neso ntimi afford 500 Ghana cedis a day. Neso no bancha krakro na wodi. Na wo betimi afford ya. No o mo kan. We sunu sunu na de yefa. Na again o ye new come our app we so ana. Chalo o new come mo man ba bi ntana mo nkyerɛkyerɛ ne niam mu na say onim say wontimi ensign no contract on the Latin account no. Kwasi asembe no no. See, I say, we spend 500 Ghana cedis. Na aya no kurent wusu. Na again we chimi sa. Just me ti asem no be cross me sare. Here will be no want me afford. Na we cry here 500 Ghana cedis say. Ana me ti abro change na me hu ne say ska keto abi no. E bia na Ghana for nim di omoka. Because na ge say no ti ana so oye ne ma me last born. Afna trimbe ne de papa.
Obi o me na sign pen bia no. Enim say me sometimes I spent more than that. I didn't kwasi asem ni anim gwasi tan so ben no. Muni manners won. Muni manners. Muni titi yo. Kwasi asem kwasi na there pressure no. Ma pressure ma. Meaning baby out. Do I even follow you? Minimum footsteps. Midi wachi. Oh, kwa midi wachi. And I was saying when I did. Me top pressure ma woo na me top pressure one. Then I be your film. Huh? Me no competition.
Hey, na Adrusa. Efua Nash shows Efua Nash. I've never gotten the name right. Sweetheart, who ya ye emotional? Nya botre. Tietia break kaka. Who ya ye very emotional. Na social in the media no so no. One year way ube my emotional na di wenim kan kwakra. First of all, why are you even crying? Yenye sa mpacho social media yensu ha. Wunya su say kim. Oma take you over. Your trolls have taken over. And it looks like they've already taken over. Odo ye unim say ye tagi yoko we ya so. Omo frefre yoko so mehwehwem. What's I say we spending more than that? Hey, mommy, what are you trying to prove to us? Listen, conversation now with the abano. It was so say there are a lot of youth that 5,000 Ghana cedis grand or munyabi. So what I say? Into what some now the abano a conversational. A ya some else ye come wasem considering the fact also about social media is also ensured and chair, or share influencing us, ensured and chair, baby. And they are wondering because when you were coming, they saw you. Into what 7 year conversational. Now, by so be did or more would you your followers. They are all people that follows you. Tia Koban is all by your emotional, but did you matem dear mammy jais and patcho. Me patcho. Social media show base na ye, you know. What you say? What be can by your whole life? I'm aware. What can say ma traso? You don't prolong the issue like that. Yes, you are stretching as you are, but you come off as a different person. Do you understand what I'm saying? Social media, there. Obi, yeah, dear, ba could throw ni shade back where you jay. Yes, I want a high product. And yes, I saw now who ye, she near grown as spending more than that. Any of what is the richest influence and MZ, hey, nah, I'm out.
Efua Nash, when did you become a star? Dabena wo obey a superstar. Efua, you are talking too much. Let me tell you something. You are ranting too much. And your interview bia na obekwas you. And yet de bia no be for interview obago gina ho na ye twa wa ma wakasa bebre. Interviews won. E de nipa no munsem epie. Ne enwo so obeka kra no for trends intino obeka. What you say na industry way, you know, if you want to be relevant, you don't talk much. When did you even rise to fame? We saw you, with Gobe 25 cities and a Gobe, a woman, Efua Nash. Shanko for Musisi were industry ni mo na Mokasa Bebre. Today where are they? Oh, you show Mokra bomb was set by and crown home. You don't even get any relevant information about them because they are, lost in the industry. Or my cake. And it is a son now pesa obra Koswana kasa bebre. And I made 5,000 cedis a day. And I made we am a boyfriend now to me, my me manager and come back. Then you are disturbing your manager that you are working with. No manager known to me chira unyansa say and ye baby and obe kasa by heart. Your interviewer, you don't bring any better thing to the table. Efua Nash. When did you become Efua Nash? I don't understand. Nana mama brown mukran out in Bekasai. Delay mukrada. Madam, what is it? Oh yes, sir, no be a brewase. Obey yira bra. Unimpo say rise to fame with Gobe 25 cities. At this juncture, you are disappointing God. So ma wadu ma call viral. Because you are talking too much. Now Jina camera ni my Efua, when did you? Your manager no advice so on country fame is not all day. I'm telling you. Those who started TikTok mother, what is our Santua Kodina baby? I say, this say a day da Wesley Kessie, Portia Wekia, or Muno Musha Sieno. What's that? Official crent. What's that? Have you heard them talk before? When did you make money? Da Ben Osha say ye Jumaneska.
Some wasemuno. Media mo pemo trend, mo fanko for baby fufro. I decided not to talk about and I don't me spending or 500 cedis. For me, jina hona. 500 cedis, I bet must me a day. 500 cedis. How much is 500 cedis? 500 cedis, you're saying? More bomodam. Bando crumpa me chocolate bando, you're saying. And I'm gonna me bando, mammy. You snap me coming across, 99 and me, yes, one particular video. And then what yes, someone what?
I know one person in our highest stay. One person our highest sister, among the 99, so one person or why you ready? Sister Efua Nash. Ba social media. Abe children muya, oba ya osadi before the Sabaya na osadi suka ho. My dear. Interview no man ka ka kire Zion so mani posting to social media e ma won sam ba ho life me didi so what you say anka di we idea the crowd say obeto storm na ka wo trendy on sa season no aka wo to na wo trendy waba asa bi didi ala de me say 500 city na o ka o sa boss kra no boa 500 city no kra o boa. Oh, a day, 500 city enso. Oh, boy. 50 cities now, can I was 500 cities, massa. Flock on a 5 But you know, so would 5,000 a day. Na ye council any din na me to bando uni bando ahi me to a day me to credit 500 cedis. Now to 500 cedis a day na esa. Credit be na obeto even 10 cedis 10 cedis credit ever say so. 100 cedis airtime mo to e na ebesa. 100 cedis airtime mo to e na ebesa. O de bando kura ne ya bando no say ne ya wo 5 gig 5 gig ni na ebesa ne. Aden hunu de wo ye onwana hunu calculation ye mfa bufo me ye dede. Ah ubeye din na nkwa tena chiri na nka wo trend no the one wo trend no nkofo e mankofo ko page mu ko sechew so enti da ma trend ye den social media so ye den no beja na nka wo trend da bia mankofo ye den ewura page mu e ma onya qualified views ah oh frog ko na fa adwene masa ye din na aboa asama okay obua onzo ayiro wona abegyina media nso na de na na ndim na tra gutu kura zam ni ka den oti akra hiva na ye kura se musaba mu ye bibi mu di se hunu ne ye na nipa ye kamachi a na mo se ba se mo baba ba ye ada video bi a nka bo be bre ho ase no apa acho ga ba ye politely oh Ghana for me and because I spend 5,000 a day. Bet me bois. Me a me bois. Asama me kind na me bois. Oh, bet a social media clout in tin am share that casa. Be sere mo mon fan cheme. Ye de becho and some me tram be de. Oh. Ah. Who be de do. Ye din am de am 5,000 a day obwa. Obwa. Obwa be 500 cities a day crowd obwa uni. Obwa.
Wait, watch the word, amame. Ewa comment section. How you Penyah Block Media?